guys, TraderJud here with week number 6, pair number 3 of the weekly charting series, where I go over 10 different pairs, 3 different time frames: the weekly, the daily, and the 4-hour time frame. For chart number 3, or pair number 3, we're looking at XauUsd on the weekly time frame. Let's see, last week's candlestick was slightly bearish after a doji the week before that. I've got price pretty well captured right now. I got this trend line drawn right here, as well as this trend line drawn down below, and then this horizontal line drawn up above based off of previous market structure. We are trending upward, right? This is a higher low. This is a lower high, this double top right here, then another higher low, a higher high, higher low, and then a retest, slightly higher high. So I'm not anticipating to see a lower low right now. I am anticipating to see a higher low. We can go ahead and throw a Fibonacci retracement on here real quick and see what exactly we're dealing with. Let's see here. So right now we are underneath the 38.2 as far as retracement goes. We did get a retest, or a test of the 50. Not last week, not the week before that, but the week before that. So right now we're kind of just waiting on bullish momentum. So this candlestick right here retested, or I guess tested the 50, rejected off of the 50 Fibonacci level. And so we could see bullish momentum this week. We could see more bearish momentum this week. Since this candlestick did break what I would call this bullish candlestick right here, the controlling candle, and you'll notice that last week's candlestick did slightly break below that. And so we could see some more bullish, or excuse me, bearish momentum this week. We could get a retest of this trend line, which would be fine. Price is not below the 2 EMAs yet, so we could very well see another bullish engulfing candle this week. Let's go ahead and drop down to the the daily time frame. Again, this butterfly pattern is still valid from the previous weeks. Same butterfly pattern drawn, same zone drawn, or excuse me, new zone drawn. This zone is based off of this candlestick right here. Notice we have multiple retests that we can see right here, the double top inside of the zone. I had another horizontal line. We had multiple retests right here, a retest right here, a retest right here, and then multiple retests right here. So that horizontal line is valid. I added a trend line. So we're looking for either a break and close above the trend line that's drawn, or a break and close above or below, excuse me, the horizontal line that's drawn. If we get a break and close, or a break and a retest of the horizontal line that's drawn, I do expect price to retest this trend line that's drawn down here. If we do get a break and close and retest of this trend line, I do expect price to at least retest the zone that I have drawn, if not attempt to complete the butterfly pattern that is drawn. So last week's candlesticks, not Friday's candle, but Thursday's candle was a bearish engulfing candle. We will notice that price did drop down below the EMAs, so that's where we're currently at. However, like I said, we have a strong horizontal line below. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, I switched up the horizontal line with a zone, and that's fine. And you'll notice that I took away the zone up above. No real huge reason as to why I took away this zone, other than I guess I didn't really see a need for it, because price would have to travel pretty dang far to reach that zone on the 4-hour time frame. Not saying that it's not possible, just not very plausible this week. So what we see on the 4-hour time frame is price is consolidating. We have this higher high right here, higher low right here, lower high, lower low, very slightly lower low, lower high, and then we've had this consolidation area for the past couple of weeks, where price did actually break out of that consolidation zone with the second to last candle last week. And so we're either going to see more bearish momentum break through this zone that I have drawn and then retest and continue downward, or we'll see a rejection off the zone that I have drawn and price will continue upward. And just to show you what this zone is based off of, Let's go ahead and drop down to the 4-hour time frame. I don't know why TradingView is going so slow. Alright, zoom out. Again, I apologize for how long this is taking. I can edit this part out. I can edit this part out. Alright, so this candlestick right here, this bullish candlestick is where this zone is based off of. You can see multiple retests right there, right there, and then where price ended last week was also a retest. So that's why I have this zone drawn in particular, multiple retests. We might see price finally break below it. If we do see price break below it, we'll be looking for a retest down here. If we see price break or reject it again and then break this trend line that I have drawn, then I'll retest and then continue upward to these levels, if not to complete this pattern, the butterfly pattern that I have drawn on the weekly time frame. So that's what I see with XauUsd for this week. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, hit that subscribe button. Thank you everybody for your support. Moving on to the next chart.